is for dog. E is for elephant. P is for fox. Giraffe.
G is
for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. No.
J.
J is for jellyfish.
Next. K.
K is for kangaroo.
Next.
L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for
Narwhal.
narwhal. O is for
What is that?
owl.
Next.
P is for pig.
Okay.
P.
Next.
Q is for bird.
No,
Ay ano?
it's a quail.
Quail.
What letter?
Sagutin mo.
R.
Ha?
R.
R is for
Rhinoceros.
rhinoceros.
Next. S.
F is for snail. S is for snail.
Next.
T is for tiger.
Yeah.
U is for unicorn.
V.
B for
Vulture.
vulture. W is for whale.
Yes.
X is for fish.
No, X-ray. X-ray. Pag nakikita yung bone sa picture, X-ray tawag doon. Oh, next.
F
Secretary, ano naman trip mo?
X-ray.
Oh, next na. Y.
Y is for
Yuck.
yak. Z is for giraffe.
Zebra.
Zebra. I know the letters.
You know the letters?